You're welcome back. Now I want to use the letters that start each word to pronounce the alphabet. I want to use each letter that starts words to pronounce alphabet from A to Z. So such as A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for egg, E for egg,
F for fish, F for fish, G for goat, H for house, H for house, I for ice cream, I for ice cream, J for jeep, K for key, K for key, L for lion, L for lion, M for mouth, N for nose, O for orange, O for orange, P for pork, P for pork, Q for queen, Q for queen, R for road, R for
S,
S for salt, S for salt, T for teeth, T for teeth, U for umbrella, U for umbrella, V for van, V for van, V, W for window, W for window, X for Xmas, X for Xmas, Z for zebra, Z for zebra.
and as you recite this, I know it will help you to master how to call each alphabet. And those words, if you know how to pronounce them now, it will make our own work easier and even for you to know how to pronounce.